आपसे थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बोलो क्योंकि हिंदी फिल्में आप करती हैं।
मैं तो पूरा हिंदी में बात कर सकती हूँ।
सारे लोग आपकी हिंदी फिल्म देखकर आए हैं।
अच्छा, सबको हिंदी समझ में आएगी? हिंदी में बात
बिल्कुल आएगी, क्यों नहीं आएगी? Yes. So why English? She is a Hindi actress.
सर, आई एम अ साउथ इंडियन एक्ट्रेस आल्सो। तमिल तेलुगु में बात करूँ?
आप करेंगे? आपसे थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बोलो क्योंकि हिंदी फिल्में आप करती हैं।
मैं तो पूरा हिंदी में बात कर सकती हूँ।
सारे लोग आपकी हिंदी फिल्म देखकर आए हैं।
अच्छा, सबको हिंदी समझ में आएगी? हिंदी में बात
बिल्कुल आएगी, क्यों नहीं आएगी? Yes. So why English? She is a Hindi actress.
सर, आई एम अ साउथ इंडियन एक्ट्रेस आल्सो। तमिल तेलुगु में बात करूँ?
आप करेंगे?
I want to get through maximum people. So that's why I'm
मैक्सिमम पीपल हिंदी समझते हैं। इस देश में अधिकतर लोग हिंदी
सर, वो वाली डिबेट ना हम किसी और टाइम और सब्जेक्ट और चीज के लिए रख देते हैं।
Indian actress, international film festival.
Yeah, please. Let's just do that. Male, it doesn't happen. So as a male or a female audience, your idol is always the male protagonist, not the female protagonist, right? So I think that's where the discrepancy is. And I don't know how much it will make sense or people how many will agree to the fact that when my last film released, Sankhya, very few films of mine have gone into theatre to see the response of the audience. Like, let me see how they are reacting to the film, to know if they're liking it or no. First time ever, I have seen Indian audience in a regular theatre clapping, cheering, screaming for a dialogue delivered by a 60-year-old character who's a female on screen. And not because she's just dancing in a bikini and looking hot and sexy, which is also difficult, let me tell you that. But yeah, it was a very refreshing visual for me to see that. And I think that has given me so much of confidence that, you know, if you have it in you, you can make films where you can get the cheer and applause from the audience, even if you're a female protagonist. So that's going to make us real heroes on screen, and that is going to get us money.
Yeah. So my name is Henry Peter. I am from Janakpuri C1 New Delhi.
अरे, okay.
तो घर की बात है.
हाँ.
So first and foremost, I would like to congratulate you. And as we are having the conversation session with the topic women in lead, and you are the right person as you are leading. And
I thought it was a मेरी date मिली और मैं available नहीं था.
So I request all the audience to clap for your parents especially.
Oh really? I want that.
For your daddy and mommy.
आपको उन्होंने तो नहीं भेजा?
क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ कैसा स्ट्रगल होता है.
And Kannada, sir, when I learn Kannada language now, then I will try because I've realized without knowing language I cannot give my 100% as an actor. So I learned Tamil and Telugu after getting there. But Kannada I'll try when I am little familiar with the language.
Thank you.
हाँ
हाँ जी, आप तो पूछ ही लो मिस्टर जी. हाँ जी, आइए बताइए.
मैं पूछ रहा था कि ईपी 2019 क्योंकि ये 50वां साल है स्वर्ण जयंती का. दूसरा गोवा, क्योंकि ये गोवा में हो रहा है. आपका गोवा से किस तरह का अनुभव रहा है? मतलब यहाँ पे थोड़ा पार्टी भी करने का, और फिल्मों का जो फेस्टिवल होता है वो किस तरीके से लोगों के बीच में फिल्म देखने के लिए और प्रोत्साहित करता है? इन तीनों के साथ की बात.
ये आपने अपना जो पूछ लिया है रेगुलर 1-on-1 में आपने यहीं पे निपटा लिया है. 50th गोल्डन जुबली है तो मेरा पहला साल है इसकी. एक्चुअली काफी आज कुछ सालों से कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि आ पाऊँ, बट हर बारी कुछ ना कुछ शूट कर रही होती तो नहीं आ पाती. बट आई एम हैप्पी इस साल आई हूँ. आई कुड मीट सो मेनी पीपल, सो आई गेट वेरी इंटिमिडेटेड एंड नर्वस व्हेन आई हैव टू कम फॉर फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स. I've been to a few lately internationally as well. I feel that these people, in my head, I know that these people know much more about films than I do, because they probably were very clear that they wanted to get into films in some way or the other. मेरे को नहीं पता था, so I always feel that मेरे को नहीं पता है, पता नहीं कुछ ऐसा पूछ लिया, पता नहीं मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है कि नहीं. So I get really intimidated when I go to film festivals. So वो थोड़ा सा nervousness रहती है मुझे film festivals आते हुए. और क्या था आपका? गोवा में चश्मे बतूर शूट करी थी, तो पहली हिंदी फिल्म यहाँ शूट करी थी, तो ये मेरे को हमेशा उस वजह से तो याद रहता ही है.
और फिल्म जो फेस्टिवल होता है वो किस तरीके से प्रोत्साहित करता है लोगों को?
मेरे को तो बहुत प्रोत्साहित करता है देख के कि अभी ये लोग सब सुन रहे हैं मुझे, मतलब कुछ तो अच्छा किया होगा लाइफ में. मतलब मैंने पिक्चर में मेरे को ये तो बहुत एनकरेजमेंट देता है कि कुछ तो ठीक ठाक कर रही हूँ मैं.
Hello, Tapsi Bhai, for you.
I'll come back to you. I'll come back to let the person with the mic say it. I'll ask you next. हाँ जी.
Hello Tapsi ma'am, my name is Suraj and I'm from Pune. First of all, congratulations for your well-deserved success in the Indian film industry.
Thank you.
And talking about Ruby, talking about Manmazia, it not only landed well, but it hit hard and we people, we audience sympathize with it.
Oh, thank you so much.
So my question is, when you get a part only a part for an audition, when a casting director gives you a part for an audition, and you just have little idea about the scene, not the entire script, you haven't read the script. So how do you perceive the script, and how do you think that what casting director wants from you, and how do you perceive the audition? Thank you.
I'll give you an answer for this, but let me just give you a statutory warning. It will not really help you. I'll tell you why. I have failed in all auditions of my life. I have failed even the ad auditions. I've been horrible because I'll tell you why. Because I was not as clear as you are that what you want to do. I was just experimenting and I knew I was not good in acting, but I was getting work because of recommendations of the people who I worked with, not because of anything else. So when I worked with David Dhawan, he probably saw something in me and he said, okay, in Jugaad 2, I would want this girl. Now when I worked with Neeraj Pandey and Baby, he thought that there could be a prequel or a spin-off of this character and she'll be good at it. So the people who gave me work because of my work. So, and I've failed all the possible auditions because I had the same problem. I'm not a trained actor. So I don't know how to like suddenly in one scene and you switch off with this one spotlight on your face with this one camera looking at you and you've just been told just do this scene. I never understood that. So till date, I say the same thing. Please don't take my audition. Not because I'm like, oh, I'll not give audition. No, because I'm really bad in auditions. I don't know how to perform in auditions. So they, आपको पता चल जाए ना क्या करना मुझे बता देना. ठीक है? We are the same boat in this.